and we'll look back at the highs and lows of Matt Hancock's first week in the jungle. See you in a few minutes.
In the meantime, it's the weather and it's a scorcher.
Yes, indeed, Sally. Thank you very much. Good evening to you. Well, it's been record-breakingly mild. We've just had Scotland's warmest November night on record, 14.6 Celsius in Kinloss, and it's also been Scotland's warmest armistice day on record, 19.1 Celsius in Lossiemouth. This evening and tonight, rather cloudy skies prevailing across southern Scotland with some patchy rain, and that rain returning into central areas during the early hours. Otherwise dry with clear periods, some patchy mist and fog, and quite a chilly night under clear skies in the northeast, certainly in contrast to the night just gone. Tomorrow, some morning sunshine for the north, soon to be replaced for a time with cloudy skies and outbreaks of rain pushing northwards, but certainly turning drier behind that. In saying that, though, for the Western Isles tomorrow afternoon, some lingering rain, a similar prospect across the Northern Isles, particularly in Shetland. Otherwise, though, it's dry tomorrow afternoon, largely with some brightness and sunshine developing. Not as warm as today, but certainly still very mild for the time of year. Thicker cloud across parts of the southwest at times, producing the odd spot of drizzle. Now, if you're taking to the hills, for the more southern ranges, cloudy and wet for a time, poor visibility but improving during the day. And these southerly winds gusting to around 45 miles per hour, leading to significant wind chill and the risk of buffeting. A similar story across the northern ranges, cloudy and wet for a time, poor visibility but improving during the day, strong southerly winds, the risk of buffeting, and again, severe wind chill on the summit. Into tomorrow evening and night, it's looking predominantly dry, mist and fog developing along with low cloud. But for Remembrance Sunday, this area of high pressure across the near continent will keep weather fronts at bay. So a fairly quiet day of weather. It's looking predominantly dry. Some mist and low cloud may be stubborn to clear from Shetland and eastern coastal areas, but some sunshine on offer for the most part, perhaps the odd spot of drizzle in the Western Isles. Warmer than Saturday, 17 degrees again, really unseasonably mild. Into the beginning of next week, and that area of high pressure begins to lose its grip on proceedings. This cold front moves in, and then this next area of low pressure moving in during Monday night. So Monday overall is looking predominantly cloudy, outbreaks of rain very gradually spreading west to east. Brisk winds and feeling cooler compared with recent days. That's the forecast. Back to you, Sally.
Thanks, Christine, and that's Reporting Scotland. We'll have your late bulletin just after the 10 o'clock news. Until then, have a very good evening. Bye-bye.
Live Championship football on Sports Scene tonight as Hamilton Academical take on Ayr United at New Douglas Park. Kick-off is at 7:45 with pre-match coverage from 7:30 over on BBC Scotland.
Strikers around this.